Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fish egg fry. First, ensure your fish eggs are fresh and clean. Gently rinse about 1 pound under cold water. Next, finely chop 1 medium onion, 2 green chilies, and a few cloves of garlic. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. This initial step sets the foundation for a flavorful dish. We're aiming for a simple yet delicious preparation. Once your oil is hot, add the chopped onions, green chilies, and garlic to the pan. Sauté them until they are soft and fragrant, about 3 minutes. Then, carefully add the fish eggs, breaking them apart with your spoon. Cook the eggs for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until they turn a beautiful golden brown. This ensures they are thoroughly cooked and develop a rich flavor. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're enjoying this easy guide, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It really helps the channel grow. On another note, bring your kitchen to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's perfect for playing your favorite cooking music or setting timers. Check the description for the link and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now it's time to season your fish egg fry. Add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt to your liking. Stir everything together to ensure the spices are well distributed. Finally, garnish generously with fresh cilantro leaves for a burst of freshness and vibrant color. Serve this delicious fish egg fry hot with steamed rice or warm flatbread for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.